Okay, business search. Let's talk about that. Basically what you do is you put a business type, like in this example I put restaurants, and a location. Now when you hit location you actually get this right here, and you can put in a city and a state. If you're in another country, you can put in a city, province, whatever, or you could actually put in an actual address. So if you wanted to know stuff sort of clustered around a certain address, you could do that. You would find that and say this is the place. Now I've done this for a neighborhood near where I live. I put in a business type, restaurants, and I put in a location. Then I hit search pages and I got all this stuff. This is a massive ton of information, and let me show you how to use this. If you'll look over here where it says likes and activity last 28 days, these are the number of posts that have occurred in the last 28 days. Look at this restaurant right here, DBA Barbecue. They've done 20 posts in the last 28 days. That's nearly a post a day, or that's like a post, that's like 2 posts out of 3 days. In other words, they're doing really good. They don't need a status updating service, maybe. Or maybe they're tired of paying the employee to do it, or maybe the manager is tired of doing it themselves, in which case they might need a status updating service. But this gives you a good rule of thumb. They also have a massive number of likes. That is a massive number of likes for a restaurant to have, so my guess would be some of those might not be quite on the up and up. Now see here where it says check details? Let's look at the details here. If you will click either of those 3 check details, everything unlocks, and you get their Facebook page, their likes, their activity. Again, this restaurant's doing well. Where these restaurants are is a pretty trendy upscale part of town, so it's not surprising that you would have a bunch of them actually using social media the way it should be used for something like a restaurant. But check this one, George's Restaurant and Bar. Check this one out. There's their Facebook page. Notice they do not have vanity URL or anything like that. Number of likes, 0 posts. See, this restaurant could easily use a posting service, okay, because they are definitely not leveraging even those likes, and they actually need more likes. So that's how you use this to unlock a massive amount of information to use in figuring out which businesses to contact. Now, Facebook, just so you know, because you may have this question like, well, how about their email addresses? Facebook won't let you get hold of their email addresses through Facebook to keep people like us from spamming them. So you will have to take this and do a little manual work and get that email address, or get the contact form. If you've got the contact form and not the email address, you could use something like software that we have, Email Sleuth, help you get a real email address through that contact form, or just contact them through the contact form, or do direct mail. Okay, physical direct mail to the business is an excellent way of contacting these. But there you have it. That is how Business Search works, and again, this works for Offline Pandemic and Offline Pandemic Pro.